my lovelies, it's Jackie and Jackie's Cooking. And guys, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do some bit on the healthy side, and we're going to make a delicious berry smoothie. It has pineapple, carrot, and a little bit of celery. Okay, and we are starting off with our carrot. We have our frozen berries. It's strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. We have our celery. We have our pineapple. Okay, and guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And please press that notification bell for weekly updates. Okay, on all my recipes. We have some ice. We have some vanilla. Some cinnamon, another good antioxidant. Some pecans, which is another good antioxidant, healthy fat. Okay, and that's optional. We have our almond milk. And we have our nice, cute little bullet here. Okay? So let's get to work. Okay, let's put this together. Okay, so I'm going to rinse off my celery. Make sure your vegetables are clean. And when you're making a smoothie, guys, from what I've studied, it's always good to do more vegetable than fruit, okay? So I'm doing my celery, my pineapple, a little bit of the berries, which is good for antioxidants. Okay, our carrot, delicious carrot. You know, this helps reduce inflammation, has better carotene, vitamin C, helps with vision. Okay, the pineapple is good for colds, vitamin C, good bone health. The cinnamon, another good antioxidant. Okay, a little bit of vanilla. And the celery is good for blood pressure, helps reduce blood pressure, helps reduce cholesterol, inflammation, has vitamin K, potassium. And then we have almond milk. You know, I prefer to drink almond milk. I really don't like regular milk because for some reason it doesn't, you know, go with my system, you know, so using that. And we're going to use a little bit of ice, okay, so it can help make it a nice, thick, cold drink. Okay, we're going to start blending that. I had to move the ice in a little bit. Okay, we're going to blend that bad boy together. Guys, I'm not a health professional. I'm not board certified. Everything I'm doing here is basically based on my experience and things I've learned throughout the years, okay? So please do your own research as well, but this is something that I know that works very well for me. It's good for my digestion. It helps with inflammation. It helps with my blood pressure, high cholesterol, okay? Okay, very good. I'm gonna add some more ice. Okay, help get it thicker. And I had this actually this morning for breakfast, you know, and it really is very good. And especially, I know for me and for some other people that I gave this to, it helps with your digestion as well, helps you release, okay, go to the bathroom, especially if you have a hard time going to the bathroom, okay. And as you get older, you know, you gotta watch certain things that you eat, which you used to probably eat in your 20s. You probably can't eat it like that. You know, just doing things in moderation. Okay? And we're going to take a sip of that. And guys, when I did this, as you can see, I didn't add no sugar because I don't want no sugar in here because the sweetness is coming from the pineapple, and the carrot is lending the sweetness as well. But if you want it a little bit sweeter, you could add some raw honey, you could add some organic maple syrup, and you can add probably some agave syrup, okay? That is, my dears, so delicious, and it's refreshing, and it definitely just helps, you know? Now we're adding our pecans. Our pecans that's the healthy fat, you know, it has iron, B6, it's a good source of fiber, antioxidants. So this is a good fiber drink, good antioxidants, you know? And the nuts are optional, because I know some people may be allergic to nuts and so forth. But it is absolutely delicious. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell for weekly updates on my recipes. And don't forget to like and share. Let everybody know Jackie's cooking. Try this recipe. It's delicious. Enjoy. Be healthy. Live life. And not only that, let's love one another. Let's support one another. Let's just be there for one another. Because there's a lot going on in the world right now. So drink up and be healthy, my friend.